Today we're going to make Newt Scamander's cute little Bowtruckle. So you want to start by getting several gauges of wire, one thicker and a few a little thinner, and then you want to take the thin ones and wrap them around the bottom of the thick piece, because those are going to be the legs. The middle piece actually doesn't have to be a piece of wire, it can just be like a stick or whatever, just something that you can wrap little pieces of thin wire around. Make 3 little legs. If you evenly space them right, it should be able to stand on its own. And then take another piece of wire and wrap it around the center. Those are going to be the arms. You want to make them so one arm is higher than the other, because that's the way he was. And then fasten another little piece of wire right at the top. Look like little antennas right now, but we'll fix those in a bit. That's where the leaves will go. And you can also add little fingers with wire, but I'm just going to add them with clay. And so then warm up some oven-baked clay. You just want to cover the center and then all the wires with the clay. So you just fold it around the wires and take a flat piece and fold it around. Do that with the legs and the arms. And then take a couple of really small pieces and stick them on the ends for the fingers. And then make yourself kind of a leafy shape and put those around the antenna wires. You might just reshape them when you're done. Then once you got both leaves made, just take a pair of scissors or a toothpick, something to just draw the leaf lines down it, little veins. And then take 2 little dots of clay to use as the eyes. And then another little smudge in the middle there to use as the mouth. And just make a little impression for the actual mouth part. So there's 2 reasons why I have the wires inside. 1, it makes the clay stronger, and 2, you can bend them in any shape you want. So once you get them bent, cook him according to the directions, and then you want to paint him, starting with yellow and then green. And you want to do these while they're both still wet, so that you can mix the 2 colors together, so that the green kind of blends into the yellow. And then put a little bit of brown on the bottom. Again, everything is still wet because you want all the colors to blend together so it looks kind of natural and tree-like. Then blend the brown into the yellow, so it should go green, yellow, brown, and a nice blending there to all the legs. And you can see this is why I like the wire, because I accidentally broke one of the legs, but it's going to stay on because there's a piece of wire inside. So the body I painted green, and then the fingers I did the same way as the legs with brown tips, and then mix that with the yellow, and then that mixes right up with the green. And then 2 little brown spots on the eyes. The rest of them is, of course, painted green. So here's the little Bowtruckle. Now the paint's kind of flat, so what you want to do with that is give it a nice little coating of glossy varnish. And then once the varnish is dry, you may want to introduce him to a few other little outdoor fellows, like Groot.
I'm Groot. I'm Picket. I'm Groot. I'm Picket. I'm Groot. I'm Picket.
I'm Batman.